Hey everybody. Some people said in my last video where I tested my settings in World of Warcraft that it was a bit choppy, and I think it was due to my internet. So I'm trying it again, and I'm hoping to record it as good as it actually looks, because it looks very, very good compared to back when I actually played vanilla and had a cheap laptop. So now I've upgraded. This is the Asus Republic of Gamers laptop with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. I bought this laptop at a pawn shop for about $700. As you can see, the water looks really, really good. I can see reflections of birds in the water, reflections of the mountains. It looks pretty realistic. And I've got my settings turned all the way up to 10.